Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of animal colors. Ever noticed how nature dresses up animals in incredible designs and colors? Let's dive into some fun facts. First up, the peacock. With its stunning tail feathers that shimmer in the sunlight, the peacock is one of nature's most spectacular show-offs. But did you know those eye-catching colors aren't just for looks? They're actually used to impress and attract mates. Next, let's talk about chameleons. These amazing creatures can change their color to blend into their surroundings, hide from predators, or even communicate with other chameleons. It's like having their own secret language. And have you ever seen a flamingo up close? Their pretty pink feathers come from the special shrimp they eat. It's like eating carrots and turning orange. Ever wondered about the zebra's stripes? Scientists believe these unique patterns confuse predators when zebras move together, making it hard to pick out just one zebra to chase. Lastly, the Arctic fox. In summer, it's brown or gray to blend with rocks and plants. Come winter, it turns white to hide in the snow from predators. Talk about a seasonal wardrobe. Nature's design and colors are not just about looking good. They're about survival, communication, and attracting mates. So next time you see a brightly colored animal, remember, there's more to those colors than meets the eye.